Welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language to English in Writesonic AI. So first thing first, you need to look for the browser. You can use any browser that you're comfortable with. You can use Chrome or Firefox. For today, I'm using Safari. Now go to the address bar and type in Writesonic's official website, that is writesonic.com, and click enter. Now this is the interface that you'll see as soon as you open the official website of Writesonic. So now next thing you need to do is go to sign in tab on top right corner of your screen just beside get started tab and click on it. Now you can log in through your Google account or through your Apple ID, or you can also use your business email that you have used to register while signing up. So I'm going to use that. Now you can sign in with your OTP or your password or with SSO. For now I'm using password. So click on that and type in the password that you have created. And after that, click on sign in tab. So this is the interface that you'll see as soon as you sign into your Writesonic AI account. Now when you see the profile icon at top right corner of your screen, click on it. A drop down menu will appear. Now go to the profile details at second option. Now go to the profile details and click on it. Now under setting you will see various options. Now look for preference and click on it. Here you will see option to choose the language or change it into any other language that you prefer. You can change the system language and generation language. To change the language, just click on the arrow facing downward. A drop down menu will appear where you will see various options of languages, for languages. Now to select the language English, you can keep it as it is because the option was already there. Since the default language for the system was set as English, we'll keep it as it is, but you can change the language through the drop down menu for the generation language or the system language. So this is how you change language to English or any other languages. We've come to the end of the video. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time with another tutorial video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.